Okay, by this point, this is the second video of solving the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. By this point, the white should be completely solved with the correct orientation and position for all the corners. Look at the green, green, look at the orange, orange, look at the blue, blue, look at the red, red. Now I gotta solve the second layer. When you solve the second layer, you have to look for the corners and look for adjacent duplicate colors. Okay, for example, I see orange, blue, green, red. There's nothing shared except the yellow. But look at this. Look at these two corners. I got a green and a red, and I got a red and a blue. Let me bring these two reds over the two reds on the first layer. Now, as I rotate around, I'm going to take a look at my progress and see if everything's lined up properly. I've got red over red, but unfortunately I don't have blue over blue. I've got green over blue. I've got red over red, but unfortunately I've got blue over green. These are going to have to reverse. Okay, these will have to switch. Over on the other side, we're okay. Orange over orange, green over green, orange over orange, blue over blue. Okay, now watch carefully. In the front top left position, I'm going to switch these two. It requires the following sequence, and pay close attention because there are moves. Okay, so watch carefully as I get these two rotated. You gotta go left counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, left clockwise, front clockwise, top clockwise, front counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, top clockwise, left clockwise, and two clockwise on top. You fixed it. My blue, my orange are over each other. Blue over blue, orange over orange, blue over blue, red over red. Red over red, green, red and green are in the correct position. Orange over orange, green over green. Okay, this corner is correct. All right, now to get these orientations right. Okay, believe it or not, it's better for only one of the orientations to be correct than for two of them. Okay, watch very carefully here. This is fixed. This is fixed. This would require a clockwise rotation to bring the orange in the position. This would require the red to go in a counterclockwise to get in the correct position. So what I need to do is I need in the front top right position, I need the front and the top left to be correct. Oh, hold on a second. That's if one of them is correct. Okay, if two of them are correct, we actually have to undo these and get a better one here. So, all right, so if you have one correct, you want to get the one correct in the front and the top on the left side in the FTR position. Okay, with two correct, I'm going to have to undo them. So what I'll do here, I want to keep this the same to where I need counterclockwise progress. Okay, now what will happen here is if I rotate this to where it goes clockwise, and then that goes clockwise, and that goes clockwise, then this will be in the correct position. I'll be able to anchor it in the top and left, or top and front layer on the left. Okay, so in order to make this stay put, and this to go clockwise, this to go clockwise, and this to go clockwise, when you look at it kind of on a corner basis here, we need the following moves. In the FTR position, clockwise on the right, clockwise on top, counterclockwise on the left, on the right, clockwise on the top, clockwise on the right, clockwise twice on the top, counterclockwise on the right, counterclockwise twice on the top. Now look at this. We've got these, this corner's in the correct orientation and position. And the others require, if you look at it from a corner basis, orange got to go counterclockwise, blue's got to go counterclockwise, and red's got to go counterclockwise. When you've got one in the position on the left, all of the corners will do that. Okay, now what I just gave you, I'm going to have to go backwards because each of these corners has to go counterclockwise on a corner basis. All right, so I'm going to hold it in the FTR position, and this time I'm going to go counterclockwise twice on top, counterclockwise twice, right goes clockwise, counterclockwise twice on the top, counterclockwise on the right, counterclockwise on the top, clockwise on the right, counterclockwise on the top, and counterclockwise on the right. And you can see it is completely solved.